boleh tak kalau hari ni saya nak duduk makan dengan you and then sembang-sembang sikit apa semua pasal university life you apa semua?
Boleh.
Boleh Okey, jom. Assalamualaikum, kehidupan yang keras. Saya Cikgu Syahri. Okey guys, saya nak ucapkan terima kasih banyak-banyak pada korang. Kenapa? Terima kasih. Saya dah hit 15,000 follower. Alhamdulillah guys, thank you so much. Saya tak boleh buat benda ni tanpa kehadiran korang. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Thank you so much. Love you. Saya sekarang berada di port niaga saya di Tarik King. Okay, saya berada dekat tapak Urban Street Dining dekat KLCC. Kita dekat tengah-tengah kota. Untuk yang lunch session lah, makan tengah hari ni, saya berada dekat Megan Avenue. So korang boleh check out dan pergi dan datanglah support saya kan. So sekarang ni nak pergi ke Universiti Malaya. So saya nak pergi cari student, belanja diorang makan mi tarik saya. At the same time nak mendalami tengok apa cerita diorang sebenarnya. Okay guys, check it out. Okay, so today I bring you food. This is my life. I like to get to know people, jumpa orang, sembang-sembang. Maybe you can start with your name lah. Rishan.
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 So Perak.
Oh, Perak. Perak which part? Kampar. Dekat sini study apa?
Saya business and
Oh, you belajar degree lah.
Yeah.
So dah berapa lama you study kat sini?
belum sampai 1 tahun.
Oh, tak sampai 1 tahun lagi. You boleh cerita dekat I tak? Macam mana life sebagai seorang pelajar universiti?
Initially saya masuk UM, saya macam tak tahu nak buat apa lah.
Okay.
So saya pun rasa saya punya academic saya tak boleh follow. I actually not like accounting or finance.
I'm gonna tell you one secret about me. I also hate numbers. Your family, how about your family?
Sekarang ayah saya sebagai seorang buruh binaan. So kakak saya sudah habis tadi dia dan sekarang kerja.
Kerja lah.
My father give me a lot. Dia tak ada paksa saya mesti nak study baik, tapi dia bagi saya semua yang dia ada. Saya appreciate lah apa yang dia bagi, juga ibu saya lah. So saya rasa kalau saya boleh habis uni, rasa itu memang apa yang saya boleh buat bagi mereka.
I see. I betul-betul admire you ah. Dia punya nama Yishan tau. Okay, adik ni nama Yishan dan dia cakap bahasa Malaysia fasih. So people out there yang cakap kata orang Cina tak tahu cakap bahasa Malaysia, we are not unity, please go and open your eyes. So technically the father is giving all the opportunities available to her daughter. He's still working ah?
Yeah, still working.
Oh yeah. How old is he?
51.
Wow. Sometimes father punya sacrifice ni kan. The moment I become a father, then I realise as a daughter, what do you think?
I very love my father, my mother, because I know they sacrifice so much on me, their time, their money. So sometimes I'm also like, I can feel I'm not happy because I never see any result from me to give to my parents.
So like, those things really frustrated you ah?
That one make me not happy.
Not happy.
Yeah.
I see. Number one, please make sure every single day you find one purpose to be happy. Now you like my sister lah, my younger sister. So please make sure you're happy. Okay?
Okay.
Ishan, boleh tak you tunjuk I mungkin kawasan-kawasan sekitar tempat you selalu jalan, like kantin ke? Okay? Boleh Alright, let's go. So usually the typical nasi got chicken and some sayur. Usually how much?
I'm not take chicken actually. I'm take telur and also sayur.
Telur and sayur? Every day?
Most lah.
Why? Chicken expensive ah?
I think expensive for me.
Telur and sayur usually berapa ringgit? 4 ringgit lah. So if chicken?
Not sure. I'm not usually take chicken. So here is our canteen. Got udang. Yeah.
Udang there.
Yeah.
Udang 250 ah?
Yes.
One piece. I thought one scoop. Saya ingat satu senduk tu RM2 setengah.
Actually, I want to take today, but I saw this one piece, then I didn't take.
So you like makan udang lah? Suka lah.
I really appreciate I have the one.
And mine, this one you can eat later at night.
Thank you.
I choose the big one. We make it worthwhile lah. Rice. Nasi.
No.
Then how you want to eat? You want rice?
Later I buy later because later fresh one.
Oh, okay. That's the case, okay. kita faham apa, the life of the student is very stressing, right? Are you sleeping okay? Okay. You get a good rest lah. Sleeping is the most important thing. Do not do the coffee thing, study until 2 AM, 3 AM. Sometimes okay, but do not make it a habit. And please, Ishan, I just want you to be happy. What makes you happy? You tell me.
I think just now you say food, right? For you,
Okay.
Happy, travel.
Travel. Slowly you will get involved in your life. Okay. I want to saya nak ucap terima kasih banyak-banyak. Thank you so much sebab you spend time dengan saya, banyak share input tentang student, everything apa semua, and I really appreciate it. Okay. Alright. Thank you so much. I doakan you berjaya dunia dan akhirat. You get everything you want in your life. Okay. Okay guys. So seperti yang tadi korang tengok Lishan, okay, adik baru aku share kehidupan sebagai student universiti ni sekarang ni memang sangat tough. Kalau korang rasa dekat luar sana tu tengah struggle macam-macam, korang bayangkan dia orang makan nasi dengan telur dengan sayur hari-hari. Kalau korang jumpa mana-mana student belanja dia orang makan. Tak ada istilah Melayu, Cina, India. Kita Malaysia. So, Cikgu Syahri out. Bye-bye. Bye-bye Lishan.
Bye.